Hey guys, let's talk about this Ugreen NVMe Enclosure speed test. So I got this on Amazon and I have an SSD here inside. Let me just show you. That's the one from Western Digital. And the model is the PCIe SN730 NVMe. So I just need to insert here to the Ugreen enclosure and use the cable that comes with the device. Connect here and then connect to my computer. I'm gonna use a MacBook here, so I connect to the USB-C port. Just observe the LED, so it's working. And here I can see the Finder popping up. So basically I can just observe the file size here while the software writes the file. I'm using here the Disk Speed Test from Blackmagic Design, and I can write different file sizes. And from here I can just select the target drive, which is my Western Digital NVMe. Inside of the Ugreen enclosure, just hit open, and here I can select the file size. I'm gonna start here with 1 GB. I expect here the speed from 500 to 1000 megabytes per second, depending on the file size. When I increase the file size here, you're gonna see the speed is going to be a little bit less, right? But it's going to work between 500 and 1000. That at least was I expect here. Let's just start the test. Whoa, that's pretty high. 1600 for the write and 800 for the read with 1 GB file size. You see here the file size. There we go. One more time. It's working pretty fine. Let me just stop the test and change here to 2 GB. Start again. Observe the file size. So increasing here to 2 GB. And still more than 1000 megabytes per second for the write and 800 for the read. So it's working pretty fine. Changing again to 3 GB file. Checking here the file size. There we go, 3 GB. And for the write, 1000 something, 1022. For the read, 871. So it's basically constant here for the read, about 860, 870, something like this. Let's just stop again and then select 4 GB, new file size, and here just observe. Just wait for it, 4 GB, 700 something for the write and 800 for the read. Works pretty fine. One more time for the 4 GB file, 914. Oh, pretty good. And last one here is 5 GB. Let's just observe the file size. Not yet. Not yet. Just wait for a while. There we go. 5 GB, 500 something megabytes per second for the write. And keep constant here with the 800 something for the read. Again for the write. Let's see if it goes at least with 500. There we go, 595. So it's doing pretty good. Okay, let's just stop the test here and then eject. And there we go. So it's working pretty fine with this Ugreen enclosure for NVMe. So you can get yours on Amazon. It works pretty good. You see here, pretty easy to use. You just need to insert the module here. And there's this rotation clip here. See, it's spring-loaded here. Just connect the SSD like so. There we go, you push it and then you just rotate here this rotation clip. And there's here an indication how you can insert the case, right? And you close it and connect to your computer. Super simple to use. I'll leave the link here in the description, okay? And I hope you like it, okay? So leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, and I see you in the next one.